Recording.
All right. All the text messages will work, so Amazon wants me to come to work. No. So yeah, we're at the Joyce Kilmer pull-off on the Cherahela Skyway in North Carolina, Nantahala National Forest. You see the sign there, leaving Nantahala. We're going to jump on that road there, as I promised. So I hope I didn't jack up the camera lens. I tried cleaning it. I cleaned my face shield, so now I can actually see where I'm going. It's absolutely been peaceful out here. If you've never been down here, you need to do it at least once. They did it, so it can't be that bad. I wish North Carolina would completely pave this road all the way through to 129. This is the best shortcut to Deals Gap. If you want to do the Cherahela Skyway and slay the dragon, this is your best bet, and there's no traffic. The only people that are going to come down this road are the people coming to go camping, and maybe a few straggling motorcycles. Most people don't know about this road. They just don't want to venture out onto this road. But if you're going from the Deals Gap store to Tellico Plains and you're coming this way, go ahead and get gas at the Deals Gap store. Because if I told you that there's limited resources out here, that means there are no resources out here. Nobody's coming out here. And I know you don't have cell service out here. The only way you have cell service is you got a satellite phone. No way. This guy's not hiking anywhere. All right, sign to US 129. So Joyce Kilmer Road, bam. This road is not great. This road is a road that they've just like chip sealed 8 times too many. And I mean, this road would be a great candidate for pavement. A road like this shows off the area. And there's like a river down there. There's a decent lake, Santilla Lake. We're going to come up on it. Plenty of places to camp. Good left-hand turn that the people from Florida can take in the other lane. And why wouldn't they? They don't know any better, right? Nothing's going to be coming in the other direction. It's their world. They're from Florida. Why should they stay in the correct lane? That Mercedes van's like a slot car. Look how far across the yellow line they are. This is why I always tell you, stay away from the yellow line when you're up here riding your motorcycle. Because it's fools like this guy who's never going to get in his lane. Every turn he'll be on the other side of the yellow line. Look, look, he's left his center line right now. I'm pretty sure that that's not a good idea in Florida, so it's really not a good idea here. Boy, they don't make women like they used to. They are all big. And why would he pull off? Let faster traffic go by. Maybe he'll pull off here. Maybe he's going to the water. Turn in, turn in. Yeah, 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 yeah. Come on, turn in, turn in, turn in. Yeah! Woo! I told you. See? You didn't believe me, but I told you there's a God. And I believe you can find God at the corner of 1st and Amistad. All right, back to Joyce Kilmer Road. So far, the patchwork that they've done hasn't been as bad as it was told to me. I mean, I've seen some patchwork, but not enough to keep me off this road. They filled in some potholes. They did a terrible job at it. What they need to do is just come out here and put 2 inches of asphalt down on top of this chip seal. If I could just show you the scenery off to the right without crashing. It's just beautiful. The lake's down there. Just beautiful. I don't know if you noticed that pothole, but it's like they put a 2-inch speed bump on top of the pothole.